Our Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2018 Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, moonroof, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, aluminum wheels, floor mats, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.